Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you this. This is a picture I took of my daughter. Look up, reach out, and make a difference. I'm going to turn this around so I can see you. Hi, I'm Susan Schenk, and I just wanted to introduce you to my book, Beyond Okay, From Invisible to Invincible. And I thought, why not just share some of the information in my book and just be a voice for learning differences. So, I'm going to take you, while I hang on to this, to my poem, Invisible. When you know, you can learn, but just not in the same way. When working quickly and perfectly defines what group you are in, or where you can stay. When you're corrected almost every day, you have no option but to be invisible, but to be invisible and hide away. When your confidence is blown, not for what you know, but in how you say the words on the page. When you read out loud again, eyes will glare, comments are made. You have no option but to be invisible again. And you are left believing you cannot win. There's no one here that really understands, so hide and run from everyone, be invisible, and wonder what you will ever become. So this is really what it's like when you're learning differently, and the way that people want you to learn may be different, and you just can't seem to get things right. And I think if you have a learning difference, you'll understand this. And that's the start of my book, when you're talking about the dread of school and what it's like to be in a setting where responding a certain way or quickly actually is sort of what defines you as being able to learn or not. I was just at a conference and speaking this weekend, and basically I was talking about how kids survive, and surviving is part of having a learning difference, because you are smart and quite capable of figuring out what you need to get by. So I talk about this and how survival is key for kids that are smart but can't do things the same way. So you might be quiet and invisible, like I was. I tried to sort of get into the background and not be obvious for someone to select to read or to write or whatever. Or you might act like the class clown, or you might act like you don't care and have behaviors. And all those strategies are a way to cope with not being able to do things the same way, and to avoid the shame that comes with that. So I just wanted to take a minute to have a voice for learning differences, talk about my book, read some of the poetry and some of the facts that are in there, and hopefully get people talking about this and bring out this is, I guess, the point that it's okay to learn differently. You're smart and you're quite capable, and let's start sharing this with our kids and move forward in letting kids be empowered by how they learn their way. So I hope to connect with you soon. If you want to talk to me, reach out, find out where my book is. It's Beyond Okay, From Invisible to Invincible, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and you can find me at www.beyondok.ca, and I'll just keep sharing my book and some tips from my programs, and let's get out there and really help kids that learn differently to embrace how they learn. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.